A very special Yamaha Vance and Hines race bike will be coming up for sale with Iconic. They have the bike tore apart, so let's go ahead and listen to Adam at Iconic and see what he has to say about the bike. Then we will be showing a promotional video filmed by MTV Sports featuring the Vance and Hines race team from 1992.
I'm starting off my shop block right here because this goes down as one of the bigger radiators I'm yet to see.
Yeah, exactly.
This is an FCR 750R, also known as an OW01. Yeah, crazy, isn't it?
It's crazy. It's big.
So this is one of the, am I pronouncing it right? The Sadowski bikes?
David Sadowski.
Yeah, David Sadowski bikes. It's not, we don't know what number bike it was. I believe number one is over at Barber. My buddy Pete in Connecticut found this one. There's a bodywork for it. You can't miss that livery. One of the bikes that was upstairs in the race bike display, but as I said on some other posts, we're gonna move some things around, make room for some new bikes, and move some of our race bikes. But a quick look will show you just that rear rotor, Ollie. Did you see how loose it is? It's such a floater, it's crazy. It's definitely seen, you know, a couple accidents here and there. You can tell by that. We had it running before, didn't we? Actually, I don't remember either. When they raced it, did they have the 6-pot pistons on it back then? I don't.
Yeah, the ISR.
Yeah, I do remember the ISR brand, but I don't know. Again, full floaters. This thing's just full of cool parts. Can't stop looking at it as I go. You gotta love the simple dash. All you need, temp gauge and a tack. Temp gauge and a tack and an ollie. That's all you need. And you could race this bike. Race swing arm. It's cool adjusters. You see the front sprocket cover, Ollie? Obviously you did, but it's obviously a bit rusty back there, but really different than I've seen before. The starter's obviously blocked off and missing. We do have a bump starter here. Everything's all safety wired. But this bike is going to be on the auction site before long. I'll stop filming here because I'll geek out on parts for the rest of my life. Just sit in the stairs.
Once you get used to the adrenaline of speed, you can't settle for anything less.
One thing about speed is the faster you go, the easier it is to control the bike.
The idea of going through a turn, the bike wants to flip up from the G-force. You physically have to pull the bike into the turn.
Just take your knee and just dig it into the pavement, and you'll ride on that third wheel.
Sometimes you can psych somebody out by, sticking a wheel in the inside of them. Just letting them know that you're there.
When everything's real right, you don't see anything but what's ahead of you. You're always thinking a couple of turns from the turn that you're in.
When you have an excellent crew that's trained and dealt with you for so long, they know exactly how to quiz you when you come in.
On the right side or left side?
When you get to the bottom of the problem, the bike starts working good, you get real comfortable, and you can go fast. make it work and you win a race, it is just the greatest feeling you'll ever get.
Here are some still shot photos of this beautiful work of art with the plastic off.